Health authorities say they're well equipped to deal with the 13 coronavirus cases here. Faraz Javid reports.
The number of new coronavirus cases in the UAE increased over the weekend. The UAE Ministry of Health and Prevention say they've identified 2 more patients infected with COVID-19. The confirmed cases include a 70-year-old Iranian visitor and his 64-year-old wife. The husband's condition is said to be unstable, and he is being closely monitored at an intensive care unit of a hospital. The last 2 cases were announced a day after 2 other patients tested positive for the disease in the country. The patients are a 34-year-old UAE resident from the Philippines and a 39-year-old from Bangladesh. Medical experts say they were in direct contact with the Chinese patient recently diagnosed with coronavirus, who are now in a stable health condition. So, to date, the total number of those infected in the UAE stands at 13, with 3 having recovered. Officials are assuring the public that authorities are working round the clock and screening everyone who came in close contact with the confirmed cases to prevent the disease from spreading further. Globally, the number of confirmed coronavirus cases now exceeds 78,000, with the vast majority of cases in mainland China. According to the World Health Organization, more than 80% of patients who have mild symptoms, such as fever and coughing, are recovering. Experts say the death rate from the disease does not exceed 0.2%, and the percentage rises with increase in age or if the person suffers from chronic diseases. Meanwhile, health authorities across the UAE have been following a very effective epidemiology monitoring mechanism and taking all the necessary precautions to ensure highly effective preventative measures, including round-the-clock checkups and observation of the people who have been in contact with patients. In fact, the public is also being advised to adopt protective health behavior to avoid infectious diseases, including washing their hands with soap and clean water and covering their mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing to stop the spread of germs and viruses. More details on how to protect yourself from the virus and other diseases are available on the Ministry of Health and Prevention's website. Faraz Javid, Emirates News.